In a sunlit apartment, a quiet neighbor starts a daily ritual of swapping wasteful habits for tiny, powerful changes. She collects rainwater in a barrel, empowering neighbors to share irrigation for balcony herbs and tomatoes. A compact solar panel powers a small fridge and charge station, slashing electricity while keeping essentials cool and ready. Plastic use drops as she refills jars, swaps cotton bags, and coordinates a weekly pantry swap with trusted neighbors. By dusk, her tiny ecosystem teaches a city block that sustainable living thrives on shared effort rather than solitary fame.